Now we perform ordinary least square OLS model. Model equal sm.ols between y and x dot fit. Predictions equal model dot predict x, and then print underscore model equal model dot summary. Print our result. That's the output of OLS regression model. For example, we have R squared, adjust R squared, F statistic, and so on. Then we check distribution of our data. We use sns.lm plot, x equal LAI India and y equal LST India, and the data is TF10. The plot shows that the data is negatively skewed. Then we perform normality check using Shapiro-Wilk test. X equal from data frame LAI of India. Let's print it, our data. Then stat, comma, p equal Shapiro x. Then print our result. The sample look is Gaussian. It means fail to reject H null or null hypothesis because the p-value return is greater than 0.45. Then we visualize our data by using histogram plot. We use plt.title to select our title, then sns.set style of background dark gray is equal sns.dist plot of x, then x level value and y level frequency. That's histogram of our data. In x we have value and in y we have frequency. Then we visualize our data by using qqplot of x. Then to display we use plt.show. Our result display that the scatter plot of points is in a diagonal line. Now we display our data as bar plot. From data frame we use LLI India and year dot grouped by year. That's our result. We have here and LLI of India. Then we display our LST and LLI as timeline against each other with the 2y fig comma ix equal plt dot subplots. So we start to make a plot. The data is df dot year column and df LLI of India. The color is dark green. We select x level and y level, x level year and y level LLI of India with the unit. We give it the same color as the line, dark green. Then we added the second y by using ax2 equal ax dot tween x function. Then we create a second plot. The data is df year and LST of India column from data frame. The color is dark red, and we give the same color to the level. Finally, we display our plot by using plt.show. We can save our result by using fig.savefig. We give it any name, .png style, the format equal png, and DPI resolution 300. That's our result. We have here and LAI of India in the green color and LST of India in the dark red color. In the same way, we create timeline of LST and LAI of China. That's our output. LAI of China in green color and LST of China in dark red color. To detect the trend of increasing or decreasing in the time cells, we use trend line function. The index equal df dot year, least equal df dot, for example, LLI of India, then we print our result. We have our trend per year and our trend per the period, which is 16 years. It means during this period, LAI index vegetation of India is increased by 0.12 during 16 years. That's the end of today's session.